That's nice. It's pretty. I like that one too. That. Woo! Oh my God, that's massive. So this fireworks show is about 17 minutes long, and we finished the first about 5-10 minutes, but it's gonna keep going. They have the symphony, the local Bozeman symphony playing. We're outside of the county fairgrounds. Some more. Oh, that's nice. Pretty. Like a little dandelion. So. Whoa, that was big boom. Where is it? Go. There we go. Whoa, whoa. Lots of fireworks. It smells very smoky here. Oh, whoa, whoa. I like the little heart.